Hello Mzansi. Today we find ourselves outside of Vescopis, just outside of Pretoria. We as MK took it upon ourselves to check because the mayor Yatwani, who is trying to make our city a reality show and is hell-bent on making sure that she gets good ratings for good PR on social media, has switched off this area. As we are here, MK released a statement today to say we'll come and verify. The department has given us their statement to say they have paid and they continue to communicate with the city of Tshwane. Now, the information that we were told was that they were switched back on, which is a lie. Now, Madam Mayor, you have sent people to come and switch on. Electricians are here. As you see behind me, this is the car of the city of Tshwane. And if you come close, you will see the substation is behind me. The situation is that this place is still switched off by the city of Tshwane. Now, if we had not stood up as MK and come here, the order to come and switch back on would not have been given. And this is the government that we have. We know that this is what we are fighting. We knew that they will lie and say they've switched on. We've gotten reports that last night there was no electricity in this facility, that they had to use generators, diesel generators, and we are not going to allow that. So, Madam Mayor, let this be the last time that we must go and double check or you've done your job. You will not switch off institutions such as these ones. MK will not allow that. We have a revolutionary duty to ensure that our people's dignity is reclaimed. And as a black person, shame on you for doing what you have just done. Commanders, let's get ready. If the city doesn't switch on, we are occupying the city tomorrow. Every city of Tshwane office will be occupied by members of MK and members of the public. We'll call on all of you. No one will work until this institution is back switched on. Amandla,
awake too.